Hello people, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will do show you the way how you can join the picture object that you have been cut and change the background of the picture to green color. So you only need this application. The application is the photo library and Instagram. First, you need to upgrade your iOS system of your iPhone so that you will get these features on your phone. Now open your photo and then you just need to find the object that you want to edit here. So here I already have this flower with this type of background, and I would like to cut this into several pieces of flowers and change the background to green. So the thing that you have to do is just go tap into the object here and hold it. Tap and hold, and there'll be like a glazing like appearing on the flower, and then you just need to tap copy. Now you just need to go back into your home screen and open your Instagram application. Now access the photo library by swiping into the right side. So you already have this camera simulations. Tap on this button to capture the picture, and then you just need to tap into this three small dot, click draw, and make sure you pick the color. There will be like a lot of green options here, so you just need to tap on it. Right after you tap it, now you just need to tap into the screen and hold it. Tap and hold so that the green color will be filling everything on the screen. Now you just need to tap into done. Click this alphabet, click the cursors, and click paste, and you will get the flower is being pasted into the screen. The next thing you need to do is just adjusting the size. If you want to get more, just need to do the same. Tap into the alphabet, tap the cursors, and paste. Now you can place the flower into the other area that you want to place them. So this is the only way you can like join the pictures easily without any additional application like a Photoshop or anything it is. You just need your Instagram and the features of your iPhone that already upgraded with the system. Right after you're done adjusting everything, just go tap into the three small dot and save. Now you already got the new joint picture with the green color as the background. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.